So this is a conjunction exercise for you. The first sentence is a student must obey dash he may leave. Okay, a student must obey dash he may leave, not unless, it will be or. Okay, or he may leave. Second one, the bridge collapsed though it was made of stones. Next, he will try dash he is forced to. He will try if he is forced to. Next one, the old man cared for the puppy as though it were his baby, or you can write as if it were his baby. Next one, he is cheerful dash he has worked the whole day. So I can see many of you have answered. So you can write though he has worked the whole day. If you have written something different, as can be, yes, it can be as well, Sneha. The second sentence, the bridge collapsed as it was made of stones, correct. It gives a different meaning, but it can be the meaning, not a problem. Lydia likes to sing and dance when she is happy. You will do well if you study hard. The show started as soon as the chief guest arrived, or you can write after the chief guest arrived, or you can write before the chief guest arrived. Okay. He was rowing the boat dash I slept. So you can write he was rowing the boat while I slept, or when I slept. Okay. I think there shouldn't be any confusion. These are very easy. Now let me ask you a few questions from your book. Don't open your book. Let me ask you a few questions from the 3 chapters: spellings, antonyms and synonyms, and understanding words better. Okay. So I'll be calling by name from the call itself. I will see who are attending the class, and you will have to respond in the chat box. Okay. So I'll be calling out each of you, whoever is doing the class, randomly, and only those people will answer. Okay. I'll be waiting for a while, and then I'll move on to the next student for the question. Okay. So let me see who is. Okay, the first question is for Adri. Audrida. Pronunciation should be Audrey. Anyway, your question is, tell me the spelling of academician. Tell me the spelling of academician. Audrey. A person who is related to academics. Okay, academician. Next question is for Annesha Shom. Annesha, tell me the meaning of 2 words. No, Audrey, this is not the right spelling. Okay, you try once again. Annesha, your question is, wait, let me see. So it will be M-I, okay Audrey, A-C-A-D-E-M-I-C-I-A-N, academician. Okay, Annesha, your question is, tell me the difference in meaning, or tell me the meaning of canvas and canvas with a double S. C-A-N-V-A-S, canvas, and canvas, C-A-N-V-A-S-S. Tell me the 2 meanings. This question is for Annesha Shom. Annesha Shom, tell me the 2 meanings. This is from Understanding Words Better. I'm sure that all of you have closed your books. Annesha, answer. Okay, the next question is, okay, good, Sneha. Okay, the next question is for Trijit Rai. Trijit, tell me the meaning, synonym of, tell me the synonym of obstinate. Tell me the synonym of obstinate. Canvas meaning is a piece of coarse cloth meant for painting. Yes, and CANVASS, canvas. Trijit, tell me the synonym of obstinate. No, only those who are being asked will be telling. I will ask you also, Roshni. Everybody will get their chance. Trijit, your question, Audrey. Yes, delete your answer. Okay, Trijit's answer has already been given, and yes, okay, fine. Trijit is typing. Now you are typing. Okay. The next question is for Shurajit Dash. Trijit, your question was the synonym of obstinate, but it has already been answered. The synonym of obstinate is adamant or stubborn. Okay. So Trijit, your next question is, tell me the synonym of pious. Tell me the synonym of pious. The next question is for Shurajit Das. Shurajit, tell me the antonym of acknowledge. Antonym of acknowledge. Shurajit Dash. Tell me the antonym of acknowledge. Tridip, tell me the synonym of, Trijit, tell me the synonym of pious. Okay, the next question is for Chandranath. Chandranath, tell me the antonym of besmirch. Tell me the antonym of besmirch. Yes, Anisha, your answer is correct. Tell me the antonym of besmirch, Chandranath. Till now I have not, okay, Surajit has written deny. Yes, you are right, very good. Next question is for Harshita. Harshita, tell me the antonym of demolish. Antonym of, yes, you are right, Chandranath, very good. Cleanse. The antonym of besmirch is cleanse or purify, very good. Okay, now Harshita, your question is demolish. Opposite of demolish is construct, very good. No problem, Anisha, you have done it, that's enough. Okay, the next question is for Moitreo. Moitreo, tell me the spelling of, tell me the spelling of accommodation. Tell me the spelling of accommodation. Moitreo, tell me the spelling of accommodation. Tell me the spelling of accommodation. No, it is not correct. Please type again, Moitreo. Okay, the next question is for Naina. Naina, tell me the spelling of miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. Naina Mishro, tell me the spelling of miscellaneous. Okay, next question is for Sneha. Miscellaneous, yes. Accommodation, yes. Now you have written correctly. So the spelling of accommodation is ACCOMMODATION, and miscellaneous, Naina has answered properly, MISCELLANEOUS, miscellaneous, very good. Okay, the next question is for Sneha. Sneha, tell me the difference in the two meanings. One is judicious and judicial. Judicious and judicial. tell me the two different meanings of similar sounding words or similar words which are easily confused, that is judicial and judicious. Okay, tell me the difference in meaning, that means tell me both the meanings. Okay, judicial is anything related to law, very good, and judicious. Shashikant, your question is tell me the meaning of hoard, H-O-R-D-E, hoard, H-O-R-D-E. Sahil, tell me the meaning of hoard, H-O-A-R-D, hoard. Sahil, tell me the meaning of hoard, H-O-A-R-D. Meaning of judicial is anything pertaining to law, and meaning of judicious is wise. Okay, a person who is wise. Okay, so memorize once again. Okay, so I have asked Shashikant to tell me the meaning of H-O-R-D-E, hoard, and I have asked Sahil to tell me the meaning of H-O-A-R-D, hoard. Next is for Roshni. Roshni, tell me the synonym of pride. Tell me the synonym of pride, P-R-I-D-E, pride. Ritesh, Ritesh Chaudhuri, tell me the antonym of agitated. Pride, arrogance. Sneha, you are not supposed to write the answer. Roshni, your answer is correct. Okay, so no. Shashikant has answered a large group of people, not a group of mosquito. Okay, Shashikant, it's not a group of mosquito but a large group of people. Whatever gave you the idea, it will be a group of mosquito. Horde means a group of people. Okay, Ritesh has answered correctly that the opposite of agitated is peaceful. Okay. So, the next question, Trijit, those of you have answered already. Next question, Roshni has also answered, Ritesh has answered. So, Rishav and Oindrila are left. Naina also, I think I have asked you a question, right? So, Oindrila, your question is tell me the difference in meaning. Two words I am giving you. One is imminent and another is eminent. Imminent with an I, eminent with an E. Okay, Oindrila, this is for you. Rishav, your question is tell me the meaning of credulous, C-R-E-D-U-L-O-U-S, credulous. Tell me the meaning of credulous. Okay, so our class time is over, be very fast. Oindrila and Rishav Konar, both of you. Sahil, you have not answered. Okay, good. You have answered, but let me see if you have answered correctly or not. I asked you the meaning of hoard, H-O-A-R-D, hoard. H-O-A-R-D, hoard means to store things. Okay, but it's nice that you have answered. This answer is quite towards the meaning of hoard, so it's not completely wrong, but hoard means to store something. Okay, good. Eminent meaning is to distinguish. No, not to distinguish, but a distinguished person, a special person, a very famous person. Eminent, not only person, it can be anything. And imminent. And Rishav, tell me the meaning of credulous. Credulous, C-R-E-D-U-L-O-U-S. The class time for the next class is already has already arrived. So, imminent is something almost certain to happen very soon. Very good, Oindrila. Okay, Rishav, tell me the meaning of credulous, C-R-E-D-U-L-O-U-S, credulous, credulous, C-R-E-D-E-D-U-L-O-U-S, C-R-E-D-U-L-O-U-S, okay. So, the meaning of credulous is can't. Okay, the meaning of credulous means somebody who believes things very easily. Okay, a person who believes things very easily. Very good, Naina. Okay, bye students, all the best for your exams. No, Distinguished is different, to distinguish is different. That means he was asked to distinguish between the two kinds of sauce in the table. Very easy. Understand the meaning of distinguish. Distinguished, we can say he is a distinguished scholar, she is a distinguished artist, like that. Distinguished means very famous and very eminent, okay, somebody about whom everybody talks. Okay. Gap filling, no, not directly in that way. It will be an MCQ pattern question. Okay, if you have any other queries, you can mail me. All of you know my mail ID. Bye students and all the best. Yes, spellings, antonyms and synonyms, understanding words better, all has been given from book. Bye.